Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of what I'm calling 12 days of press-ons. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today's set is going to be primarily blue with different winter elements. Honestly, if we're being totally honest, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I don't like how this turned out. I think it kind of just wasn't my favorite. I think the first 2 were really good, but day 3 is not my favorite. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I could have done better or what could have been changed so that it could have been a cuter set. I think the idea was there, it just didn't really come through, but it's okay. So I was using a picture for reference, and that's how I'm able to kind of map out my colors here. So it looked kind of like I'm doing random colors, but I'm referencing a photo and then kind of going off that. And I do kind of end up changing my mind throughout the set and kind of changing up how I do things. I end up using elements I didn't think I was going to use. I think that's also my reason for not liking it. Like, it was just all over the place. I was referencing a photo while trying to be creative, and it was just clashing and not coming together like I wanted to. So day 3, she's not all that. But, you know, day 4 is going to be even better. Because this video is pretty short and to the point, I'm not going to talk too much. I'll kind of just let you guys watch and see what I do. The main things to keep in mind is that for some of these, I like to matte out first, like this nail that I'm currently doing, so that when I pour my glitter on, that it doesn't stick to the base. I feel like this is a very helpful hack for anybody who wants to use loose glitter. Make sure you matte out your nail first, pour on your glitter, and then go in with your top coat very carefully to give that shiny effect if you do want it to be glossy. I know I said I wasn't going to talk very much, but I do have a question. How do you guys like the series so far? I have never done a series like this. This is going to be a 12-day series, so from December 1st to the 12th. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you like it, and let me know if I should probably do another series in the future. Okay, so this is where I goofed. I wasted, basically, a perfectly good charm. I feel like it's super cute. It just doesn't belong on this nail. And I didn't show it at the end of this video, but at the end, I do end up putting polka dots on this nail. Y'all, I tried. I don't know what was going on with my brain this day. I thought I was doing something. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be real cute. But looking back, every nail's a different color, or only a few are the same color. It's a little bit busy. not so cohesive. So maybe I will go back and redo a blue set for the Christmas series. Anyway, be sure to come back for tomorrow for day 4. It's going to be so much better. I promise, guys. Please, I promise. So come back for tomorrow for day 4. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.